Lunar Hylians, it's great to have you back. In addition, nobody can say for sure what it means, and we'll be taking a look at some fascinating data right now. We're keeping an eye on the price of the cryptocurrency market, which is currently trying to recover from a fall that we had on the day chart, which was more than 10% up on most of the cryptocurrencies right there. At 80 digits, we can practically see them all collapsing in a classic. The decline is evidently continuing, as Bitcoin's value has fallen by almost 10%, from $234,000 to $21,280 in just over a week. And Ethereum declined from 1,876 to the present day 1,689, 1,700. How all of that transpired in a single night is really incredible. Moreover, that's completely insane. I pray that we can get back on track as soon as possible. And it is just what we anticipate. Please subscribe and spread the word. What's new with the original Turtle Island visitor? As the price of Luna stabilizes after a brief free fall, investors can breathe a sigh of relief and start planning for a bullish expedition to $3 as multiple buy indications come to life. Potential early profits of $2 sit at massive resistance along a declining trend line, suggesting that traders may want to cash out at this point. Cheap hats are just as good as more expensive ones. After a 2-week downtrend from the 1,621 high in August, the price has now found support, which could indicate the return of retail investors and the possibility of a $3 bullish impulse target. The odds seem to favor an increase when Luna price rebounds off of its support. Confirming a break over the 50-day simple moving average will be a major hurdle for the bulls to overcome. But a $2 4-hour to daily close above this resistance level will convince skeptical investors to get on board for gains in the $3 range. In other words, the relative strength index in the same 4-hour time frame indicates that the bears are hardy and would require further harassment if the price of Luna is to continue its climb. Therefore, traders should pay close attention to the error size movement in the near future, as a bullish divergence would alert purchasers if the error size moved back above the midline. Okay, the game of tug-of-war is over, and we've successfully recovered our security clearance. Below this call to investors to consider the blind Luna reflected in a red 9 candlestick is a 3-hour chart showing a buy signal from the TD signal sequential indicator, which suggests a lessening downturn and the possibility of an uptrend. Thus, a buy order is typically suggested between the lows of the 6th and 7th candles, and the account is said to be exceeded by the lows of the 8th and 9th bars. Since the Luna price has not broken above the declining trend line on the 4-hour chart since early August, and since the parabolic cases are indicator on the 3-hour chart may hamper considerable recovery unless it fully pays below the Luna price, traders would be wise to take profits at $2. There is a potential for a 180 and a 160 in sequential order if buyers lose control of the prevailing rally. The chaos on the Terminal Classic is now over. You should definitely come and see it the next time it's on. But you should also subscribe to share so you don't miss out on any future content.